Alright, this is the continuation of pouring of plinth. So I just mix 1.5 liters of builder's mix. Alright friends, that's a completion of the pouring of ramp widening. So we just let it dry and then do the final finishing. Okay. The reason why I show this concrete placement, mixing a small quantity, just in case some of my viewers, subscribers, other people watching my YouTube channel, they can do it as well. Yeah. So one bucket of 9 liters builder's mix plus 100 or 1 liter of I'll show you the graduation of this bucket. As you can see there, there's like a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, maybe you can see it. Yeah, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 liters. So 9 liters of builder's mix and 1 liter of cement. That's the ratio I make for this concrete. So if you check my compressive strength, you will achieve like 2,500 psi or 20 to 25 MPa in 28 days. Yeah, that's why I mix just small quantity so I can prepare a nice finishing. And the reason why I put like a broom finish for skid resistance, so I won't slip when I go on top of it, or when I'm using my wheelbarrow, putting something on top of this ramp. As you can see, there's always broom finish on each strip I put in. Alright, that's the one I would like to share with you all guys, and I hope you like my small presentation, and I hope you can use it in your proposed project in your house or helping your friend. So by the way, I completed this ramp except this plinth and the bottom of a wing wall on the 7th of October 2021. That's the day of my birthday. Yeah, so for me it's memorable because I completed my widening of ramp on the day of my birthday. Alright, thank you so much friends, and I hope you like my short presentation of how to prepare a small quantity of concrete mix. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless. Again, see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed my video yet, please do so. Just press the bell button and press all so you can receive any update of my videos, particularly on Joyride. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much and see you soon. Bye for now.